Hi, my name's Melinda, and I'm an artist based in Salt Lake City, Utah. I've been a member of the Enjoying Art community for 4 years, and it's completely changed my life. I love taking the classes that Yong offers and getting feedback from the other members in the community. It's really ignited my passion and my desire to grow as an artist and to pursue being a professional artist. I love being able to share what I'm working on and have others give me feedback right away, and being able to also take part in critiquing other people's work, which surprisingly helps you become a better artist and trains your eye. I know that without the Enjoying Art community and without Yong's direction, that it would have taken a lot longer to see the progress I've seen in 4 years. I can't endorse the Enjoying Art community more and encourage anyone who is even thinking about becoming an artist, improving their art skills, to sign up and see what the community's about. And I think you'll know why we all love it.